I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A ridge of high pressure over the desert southwest continues to build onto the plains, leading to dry weather through at least Tuesday, if not longer. After highs this afternoon, right around 80 and some light winds. Highs tomorrow, mostly in the mid to upper 80s. Northwest Kansas tomorrow the exception, with highs staying around 80. Due to a combination of below normal rainfall, south wind gusts to 30 to 40, and humidity around 20%. Fire concerns increased to near critical levels. Mother's Day through at least Thursday. Mother's Day and Monday, not as warm. Highs in the low to mid 80s. Our warmest days on Tuesday and Wednesday, with highs back into the mid to upper 80s. As low pressure and a cold front track east, slight chances of thunderstorms arrive in the west and central for Wednesday night. Thursday, slightly cooler, with highs in the mid-70s to the low 80s. There are signs of a pattern change, with some forecast models indicating better chances of rain next weekend through the early part of the following week. That pattern change continues to be reflected in the later days of the long-term forecast, with slightly cooler temperatures. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures stay warmer than normal in the middle to late part of next week before temperatures turn more seasonal or near normal next weekend through May 22nd. Right around the 20th of May, our central Nebraska daytime highs typically in the low to mid 70s, and overnight lows on average are in the low 50s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall Wednesday through May 22nd indicated to be slightly above normal. Soil temperatures 4 inches deep at 7 this morning, in the low 50s for much of central and western Nebraska, as well as western Kansas. Along and east of a line from Norfolk to Grand Island and Hastings, along with central and eastern Kansas, soil temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Key weather factors influencing the markets include the southeast U.S. seeing additional rain, ideal planting weather farther north, and dry spots in China and Australia. Rain lingers across the southern and eastern U.S. into next week. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 2 inches in the northeast and 2 to 6 inches in the southeast, with the highest amounts expected in northern Florida and central and southern Georgia. The rest of the U.S. experiences warm and mostly dry weather until Sunday to help out with planting. Weekend temperatures soar to 90 or higher as far north as eastern Montana and the Dakotas. Cooler conditions and showers overspread the northwest this weekend. Rain from the northwest U.S. that moves into the plains the middle of next week stays mostly across the northern U.S. the end of next week. Another storm likely develops in the plains next weekend. Northern China sees good rain continue today, but many areas are left out or only see light rain. Several rounds of rain through next week in China stay mostly light, which could hurt heading to filling wheat, as well as corn and soybeans that are emerging. Australia, not expecting much rain the next week and a half, an issue for winter wheat and canola establishment. Drought in South Australia is expanding eastward and could develop elsewhere. Southern Europe has seen plenty of rain for developing crops. France and the UK expect light rain this weekend that helps with winter wheat. Some locations of northeast Europe could benefit from more rain. Poland, with just a few showers this weekend, needs even more rain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.